To use JetBlue credit on Expedia, start by visiting the Expedia website and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. On the Expedia homepage, you'll see various options, including a language changer, property listings, support, trips, and your profile, as well as a search bar in the middle of the screen. To use your JetBlue credit, search for flights as you normally would by selecting your destination and clicking search. Wait for the results to load. Then select the flight you want and proceed to checkout. During the payment process, you'll typically find the option to use your JetBlue credit under the payment section. Enter your JetBlue credit information when prompted. Complete your booking, and the credit amount will be automatically deducted from the total price. This process is straightforward and allows you to easily apply your JetBlue credit to your Expedia booking.